Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my hair routine, what I usually do when I'm washing my hair, and today I'm going to show you what I use. I have here my lemon and aloe vera, and let's get to it. Just squeeze it in my... You can do half or you can do the whole thing, but I'm gonna just do half since I have aloe vera. Put it in here, take the seeds off. Next, I'm going to do the aloe vera. I cut aloe vera. Ooh, look at the juice. Look at the sap. And you can use the aloe vera peel like for your face. This time, I'm going to cut off and then peel it. Careful, nice. Take the gel, called the aloe vera gel, and then I just put it in with the lemon, and then I'm going to keep this because I still can use it with my hair. And then what I do, sometimes I blend this together, but I don't feel like blending it tonight, so just mush it. Or get a fork. I just need the slime from it. So why I'm using these two together, because lemon and aloe vera will put the what they call like acidity in your hair, which will help you will help the root to stay stronger, so you don't have the breakage all the way. You won't be easily having a breakage on your hair. So next that I'm going to do is just first I'm gonna separate my hair in half. Okay. Get the aloe vera and then rub it in my scalp. Just start rubbing it in your scalp. Next, I'm going wait at least 5 minutes for this to really soak in on my scalp. Then we'll come back and rinse it up with water. Then we're gonna put shampoo and conditioner. And one thing you can do with this one, the leftover, you can also use it on your hair, on your scalp. If you want, just do like this, so you don't have to go to waste. Or you can use it on your skin to hydrate your skin. I'll use all of them in my... Oh. So the gel is gone. So you can use it like this, So since 5 minutes is over, we're going to wash my hair. Just put it in. shampoo is the only why I use shampoo, because it's gonna wash up all the gel and stuff that's on my hair. Clean it up. And massage your hair, your scalp. Not scrubbing it, you have to massage. And it will relax your scalp too when you massage it, rather than scrubbing it. So now I'm gonna rinse it off. I'm gonna take this off. Let's change it. I always do the edge piece, even though it's gonna get wet still. Okay. At this point, I'm going to put the conditioner in. And same thing, I'll use the one with the coconut and aloe vera on. Oh. Since I have a lot of hair, I'll use a lot. That's how much I put on my head. Oh, no. So guys, see, since I put all the conditioner all together, I have it in my hair. I'm gonna wait for another 15 minutes. I mean, not 15 minutes. Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna wrap it with plastic. Why I do this? Because I want like the conditioner to sink in on my hair to make it more softer. We're going to take this thing and we're going to rinse it up. Oh, it's wet. So go turn around and rinse it up. So guys, now I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and this is the longest part. So since the back is dry, guys, so I'm going to the front, the side. Same thing. You have to like the blow dry is like it's dancing. Alright guys, so this is how I dry my hair, and it take a long time and still not dry yet. So that's how I do my hair routine, how I wash my hair and dry my hair, and hope y'all like it. And please subscribe, press the notification button and press like And if y'all want more videos of me doing my hair routine, please comment down below and let me know. So that's all it, guys. Thank you for watching and hope y'all like this video, and we love you guys. I'm out.